Tools needed for this install is a 8mm socket and your ratchet. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today I'll show you how to install Spyder taillights on a 2009 to 14 Ford F-150. Using your 8mm socket, remove 2 bolts. One here and one up here. After removing your 2 bolts, we're ready to unseat the taillight. So after removing your 2 8mm bolts, we're ready to unseat the taillight. We'll just grab the taillight firmly with both hands and carefully pull it straight back. So first, we're gonna remove the middle socket, which is your reverse light. So turn it counterclockwise to disconnect it. Now the top and bottom connector, which is your brake, parking, and turn signal. You're gonna carefully press down on the tab and disconnect both of them. Okay, go ahead and bring over your Spyder taillight. Flip it over to the back. We're gonna plug in our top and bottom connector. Make sure your negative wire matches up with your negative wire. Check both of them, make sure they're locked in and secure. Now you're gonna grab your reverse light bulb socket. Make sure your rubber gasket seal is intact to prevent any moisture. Go ahead and plug that into your taillight assembly. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Pluck away your wires. Now on your taillight, we have 2 ball sockets, one on the bottom and one on the top. And we have one right here, a little guide pin. Make sure you line them up to the holes and we'll carefully pop it in place. Next, reinstall your 2 8mm bolts. After installing your driver's side tail light, let's repeat the same process to the opposite side. Now that we're finished installing our Spyder tail lights, let's close the tailgate and test all the tail light functions.